the essence of clairsentience, feeling the universe beyond the physical. Clairsentience is the ability to feel truth beyond logic, to sense energy beyond sight, and to navigate reality through the intelligence of the soul. It is not merely an intuition, it is an ancient knowing encoded in the fabric of existence, a deep resonance between the self and the cosmos. The body becomes a living antenna, receiving signals from the unseen realms, translating energy into emotion, and emotion into understanding. Quantum physics tells us that everything is vibration, thoughts, emotions, matter itself. Clairsentience is the mastery of tuning into these frequencies, feeling their weight, their intention, and their truth. The heart acts as the bridge between the material and the immaterial, sensing before the mind can comprehend. This is why a room can feel heavy before words are spoken, or why a person can radiate light before they even speak. The world conditions people to dismiss these subtle sensations, to prioritize intellect over feeling. Yet in the quantum field, information is absorbed instantaneously. Just as particles communicate across vast distances in quantum entanglement, a clairsentient person perceives emotions, intentions, and energies regardless of physical space. They do not need to see to know, nor do they need to hear to understand. The knowing is immediate, embodied, and undeniable. This ability is sacred, yet many experience it as a burden. Feeling too much, absorbing the pain of others, or being overwhelmed by collective energy can create deep fatigue. But clairsentience is not meant to drain. It is meant to guide. The key is discernment, learning to sense without absorbing, to witness without attachment. Just as the ocean allows waves to move through it without losing its vastness, so too must the clairsentient learn to let energy pass without becoming consumed by it. Ancient wisdom keepers, shamans, healers, oracles used clairsentience to diagnose illness, detect lies, and attune to nature's rhythms. They understood that the body does not lie, that every sensation is a message, and that true wisdom is felt, not just known. To cultivate clairsentience, one must silence the distractions of the external world and listen to the subtleties within. Meditation, grounding in nature, and practicing deep presence sharpen this inner sensitivity. Trusting one's first instinct, acknowledging emotions without judgment, and honoring gut feelings refine this gift. The universe is always speaking not in words, but in energy. Clairsentience is the language of the Sula, return to the original way of knowing, where truth is not sought but felt.